In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address on Zillow. Whether you want to update your email for security reasons, or you're just ready for a fresh start, I'm here to guide you through the entire process. First things first, you need to head over to the Zillow website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Zillow.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. It might ask you for your email and password. Just fill those in and you'll be into your account in no time. If you ever have trouble logging in, remember that there are usually password recovery options available. Once you're logged in, look for the FX menu. It's often visible near the top of the page, so give that a click. This will bring up a new set of options for you to explore, sort of like peeking behind a curtain to see all the features Zillow has to offer. Next, you'll want to find and click on Account Settings. This is where all your personal information and preferences are stored, so we want to make sure we're diving in the right place. Once you're there, you'll see various tabs designed to help you tweak your account according to your needs. Now, let's click on the Profile tab. This is your personal hub. Everything that pertains to your identity on Zillow can be accessed here. It's a great place to check and update not just your email, but also other details about your account if needed. Scrolling down, you'll come across the Sign In and Security section. It's a good idea to occasionally review this section to ensure your information is current because it directly impacts the security of your account. To update your email, look for the option to edit your email address and select it. Here you'll have the opportunity to enter your new email address. Ensure that your new email is secure and something you have easy access to, as it will become your new point of contact for anything Zillow related. Type your updated email into the designated field, carefully checking for typos as you go. After entering your new email address, you'll need to confirm this change, and for that, Zillow will ask for your password. This is a standard security measure to ensure that it's really you making the change and not someone else who's unauthorized. Enter your account password and proceed to the next step. Finally, to wrap things up, find and click on the Continue button. This tiny click is your confirmation that the email update is complete. And just like that, you're all set. Your email address on Zillow will be updated, and you'll start receiving all your communications at this new address. Congratulations on successfully updating your email. If you have any additional questions, feel free to explore the help section on Zillow's website or reach out to their customer support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.